Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode presented by the Excellence Physio. I am Noura Hadi. On today's episode, we are going to be discussing about ACL injury. Our guest of today is...
Hello everyone, I am Khushi Vishwakarma, physiotherapy final year student at Integral University, Lucknow.
So, our viewers want to know, what is ACL injury?
First of all, thank you Excellence Physio for inviting me here to talk about ACL injury. So before moving further, I would like to give a brief anatomy of the ACL, which is it's a ligament out there at the middle of the knee. It runs diagonally and it prevents the tibia from sliding out in front of the femur, and it provides rotation stability to the knee.
So, we want to know, what are the causes of ACL injury?
Okay, so it mostly affects the players like basketball, baseball, and skiing, soccer, etc. It's also occurs while sports and fitness activities that puts pressure on the knee or stress on the knee, and it may cause ACL injury.
Thank you so much. So, what is examination of ACL injury?
Okay, so how will we examine the ACL injury? We'll begin with the effusion. We'll be seeing immediate effusion right there, and there will be swelling, redness on the affected area. Then we'll move further to the palpation. We'll be palpating joint lines and collateral ligaments so that we can decide whether it's a meniscal tear or there's any sprain and all.
So, is there any treatment of ACL injury?
Yeah, there's treatment. So first of all, we'll just focus on the ROM of the knee joint and strengthening of the quadriceps and hamstring muscles. After that, we'll focus on the PT management. That's the protocol which is categorized into 4 phases: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4. Okay, so in phase 1, the goal will be to achieve full ROM. And in phase 2, our goal will be to enhance the extension and flexion at full ROM. And in phase 3, the goal will be to enhance the full extension and full flexion up to full range of motion, and we'll be focusing on minimizing of the swelling. And in phase 4, the goal will be to strengthening of the muscle and agility of the muscles. We can also advise knee braces at the recovery phases.
So, is there any home remedies given to the patient?
Yeah, there are few home remedies that patient can follow up, which are ice packs, exercising on daily basis. He can use compression and elevation technique, and he must take rest on the recovery phase.
Thank you so much. So, what are the special tests for ACL injury?
Okay, so there are few tests performed to rule out the ACL injury, which are the Latchman test and anterior rod test. In Latchman test, we'll hold the patient's thigh while he'll be in supine lying, and we'll place the hand on the tibia and the other hand on the joint line of the tibia, and we pull the tibia forward. If it moves freely, then it might be ACL injury. And it's one of the most sensitive in type of examination that may cause a lot of pain to the patients while the examination. And the another test is anterior rod test. In this one, patient will be in supine lying and will grasp the tibia, and the other hand or the thumb will be on the joint line of the tibia. Will again pull the tibia forward. If the end feels soft or absent, then it might be ACL injury.
Thank you so much. This is the end of today's episode. Thanks for the information.
You're welcome, and thank you so much everyone.
Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.